Hey everyone, and welcome to episode 6 of Design Lab. The more observant among you might be noticing a couple things. The first is that this video is going to be pretty short, and the second thing is that there's a little 1 of 3 at the top instead of a 1 of 2, but don't worry, I'll get to that stuff momentarily. But first of all, let's talk about our topic, and it's going to be female mage. And this was suggested once again by a YouTube comment. I will open that real fast. Here we go. I would like to see you do some kind of a female mage sort of fantasy-based character. Lovingly yours, You Smell Gay. Well, Mr. Gay, thank you for the comment. I guess we'll get into some of the details on what makes this special this week. But first of all, let's just mention real fast, since this is female mage, we want to make sure we also keep it fantasy-based, as was suggested. So I'll just write that real fast. And that just means no, crazy sci-fi mages. You don't have to get all technical with like weird stuff. We want to keep it fantasy based. So that's something to remember. Time periods are obviously a key thing when you're designing something. But the main thing that's happening this week is I want you guys to actually submit your own thumbnail ideas. And you can do these however you want. They can be decoupaged out of old magazines, or they can be sculpted out of clay, or just regular thumbnails like I would do. But basically, I want you to submit pictures, images, in the comments of this video of different ideas that you've come up with. And I want these to be real simple, so I'll write that out. Keep them simple. We're not trying to do a finished illustration. They could just be like something shapely or colorly, just like I would do a thumbnail. So you don't focus on details and poses, you just focus on, basic shape and, some kind of shape of clothing or shape of design, something that makes this a unique design. So simple, colorful, I will write colorful, and stuff like that. Don't put a lot of time and effort into it. You can do this in like 2 minutes after watching this video if you want. Just go into whatever program, any kind of thing. You can do it traditionally and take a picture. But basically just make some thumbnails, make some, little doodles of what you think a female mage fantasy character might be in your head or whatever. And I'm not going to do my thumbnails now, but I am going to do thumbnails as well, just so there's, something in case no one participates, which is very possible. I will be doing some thumbnails anyway. And in the next video, part 2, we will just be looking at both your submissions, your ideas and thumbnails, and we'll be looking at my thumbnails. And then once again, like most design labs, we'll talk about them and vote on which we would like to do into a finished illustration. So once again, just submit them. Submit your ideas in the comments section. You can use, INGUR or Photo Bucket to upload stuff, and just post a link in the comments any way you can. I know YouTube might be a little weird about posting links, so you might have to divide them up and not post them. You might have to put spaces or things. I forget, there's weird stuff about posting links in here, but I will figure it out, and I will make the next video, and I will be able to present your ideas and everything, and it'll all work out. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys participate, and it should be fun.